If you're tired of 5G draining your battery, listen up. Samsung users, you can switch it off in just a few taps. Here's how, super simple. First, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Tap on Connections. Now choose Mobile Networks. Next, tap Network Mode. Here's where the magic happens. Select an option like 4G/LTE or LTE/3G/2G Auto Connect. That's it. Now your phone will use 4G instead of 5G even if 5G is around. It can help save battery and reduce data use. Want to go back to 5G later? Just follow these steps again and pick a 5G option. Easy, right? Try it out and enjoy your Samsung your way. Needed to fully assess its potential long-term impacts, particularly regarding health effects. Regulatory oversight. Regulatory bodies like the World Health Organization (WHO), the Federal Communications Commission (FCC), and the International Commission on Non-Ionizing Radiation Protection (ICNIRP) are monitoring research and setting exposure guidelines to protect public health. Misinformation and conspiracy theories. It's important to be aware that misinformation and unfounded claims about 5G dangers are prevalent online and on social media. These claims often lack scientific basis and can create unnecessary fear and anxiety. For example, claims linking 5G to COVID-19 are scientifically baseless. In conclusion, while there are potential cybersecurity risks associated with the rapid expansion of 5G networks and the IoT, the scientific consensus to date is that 5G radio frequency radiation exposure within established international guidelines does not pose a significant health risk to humans. However, ongoing research and monitoring are essential to ensure the safety and security of these evolving technologies. Use your own discretion. It's your choice to turn on or off 5G. If you enjoyed this informative video, please like, share and subscribe for more. Good day, cheerio everyone.